right, so in this last part of the notes, we're going to look at some applications of linear inequality. So here's some common phrases you'll hear and what they translate to mathematically. The two I want to draw your attention to is A is no more than B. This is going to correspond to less than because the greatest it can be, no more than, is B. So this is going to be A less than equal to B. And then this one, A is no less than, meaning it can't be smaller than that, A greater than or equal to B. So the other ones, make sure you read through those, but those two I wanted to draw your attention because they kind of go opposite if you don't stop and think about it. So here's a couple of examples. The temperature in the classroom, we're going to call that T, was at most 75. So the highest it was 75. And so to write this in a mathematical inequality, I have T less than or equal to 75 degrees, or just 75. The number of goals John scored, G, exceeded 4. So it was G, the goals, greater than 4. Anne's weight, W, is in between 120 and 130. We have Anne's weight, W, is in between 120 and 130. All right, here's a little word problem. A company sells boxes of chocolate for fundraising. The company sells those boxes for $40 each. However, for large orders, the price per box is discounted by a percentage off the original price. Let X represent the number of boxes ordered, and then the corresponding discount is given by the table. So what we're first going to do, we're going to find the order before the discount, the total, and then we're going to subtract off the discount. And so the way we do that is we're going to find the cost pre-discount and then subtract the discounted amount, and that's going to give us the overall cost. So if a school orders 1,000 boxes of chocolate, compute the total cost. Okay, so first thing, the 1,000 boxes. The cost of, not $1,000. The cost of 1,000 boxes is going to be 1,000 times the $40 each. And I multiply that, I'm going to get $40,000. Now that's would be if there was no discount. If there's no discount, the total cost would be $40,000 for all of the chocolate boxes. However, because I fall here in this category, because it is less than or equal to 1,000, then I get a 20% off discount. Now, it's a 20% off the cost I would have paid. So 20% off of 40,000. So I'm going to multiply 40,000 by 20% in a decimal. So 0.2, move that decimal point 2 spots to the left. So 40,000 times 0.2 is going to give me $8,000 off. So they should have paid $40,000, but because of the discount, I'm going to take off that $8,000, and then that is going to give me a total of $32,000 total cost. The next one says, which cost more, 500 boxes or 502 boxes? So we're going to do the same process, and I went ahead and did that example ahead of time. We're going to do the same process except with 500 and 502, and you get those two answers on the screen. And then you can see that because at 502 boxes, you actually get the 20% off coupon, it is going to be significantly cheaper to get 502 boxes versus 500 boxes.